here at Valley Forge National Historical Park, and we're hiking Mount Joy.
So the kids commandeered my intro this morning, but we are at Valley Forge National Historical Park outside of Philadelphia. This is where George Washington's Continental Army camped during, I believe it was the winter of 1784. Oh boy. You know what? We're going to have to go to the historical sites and check the dates because I don't actually remember. I wanted to say 87, but that was too late. Back in the 70s or 80s, probably. Revolutionary War times, I guess. But we're starting out with this hike up Mount Joy.
It ended in 17.
And this afternoon we're going to hike up Mount Misery. Mad Taco, what do you know about Mount Joy? What's up at the top here?
Unicorns and rainbows.
Oh.
Yeah, right.
B-Dog, what's at the top of Mount Misery?
At the top of Mount Misery, there's there's creepy looking trees and probably thunder and lightning, but on Mount Joy there's just devils and
okay, he's taking too long with all that. You gotta land the plane, bud. All right, so here we go. We're taking the muddy slippery slope up Mount Joy, so hopefully all the waterfalls and pixie dust are at the top. And here we are at the summit of Mount Joy, a whole 259 feet above sea level.
Did you get us bushwhacking?
Yeah, we had to bushwhack our way to the top. We went off trail.
Yeah.
And it was pretty good. Did we see anything special on the way up?
Oh yeah.
I think snake poo.
Yeah, it looks like beans, like black beans.
Okay.
Jelly beans.
Very smooth. Like large jelly beans or black beans.
Not mine.
All right. If anybody can ID that in the comments, please. Too bad I didn't get a picture of it. All right, so we're gonna head down the other side and back to where we were, and then we're gonna go see Washington's headquarters, get a little history. So now we are hiking up the Mount Misery Trail, which is right across from Mount Joy. Picked up some friends. It's very crowded out here. This is why I don't hike on Saturdays. So for Mount Misery here, we're following the White Blaze Trail. It's pretty awesome. We're gonna come back down along, there's a river down in that valley. We're gonna follow that back. And straight across the way there is Mount Joy, where we were this morning. So Joy and Misery are right next to each other, which is awesome. Whoever named this place has a sense of humor. thanks for watching. This was, you know, Valley Forge National Historical Park. We just did Mount Joy and Mount Misery. We are headed back home. We're going to stop somewhere and get some milkshakes or something. But if you haven't already, please check out my 1,000-mile challenge video and think about making a donation towards fighting cancer through immunotherapy. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell. We'll do this again. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time. Say goodbye.
Bye. Have a nice day. Bye.
I can't even imagine what you're doing back there.
And you won't like it though.
All right. Goodbye.